It's time for Mechanics Monday! Welcome to my new segment, Mechanic Monday. Every Monday I'll be giving back to you guys by hosting a giveaway. Giving away tools and auto products that I've tested out. And today I'm giving away a pair of LED headlamp bulbs. Now many modern cars already come with LEDs in them, but the problem is they can be super expensive. Now a while back, they started putting LED headlights on top-end cars. But when they broke, you had to buy whole assemblies, and some of them were as much as $2,400 a piece. Now the LED headlights are brighter, and they actually use less energy than conventional headlights. This particular pair is about $51 on Amazon. Comes with a 2-year guarantee. Believe me, don't buy the $19 ones. I've tried them out, and they all burn out pretty fast. Here's the original halogen bulb. You just twist it to the side, and it comes right out. Then you just unplug it and plug the new one back in. Just goes back into the hole, snaps in, and you turn it till it locks. And as you can see, it's got 1, 2, 3 strong LEDs in it, so it does full coverage. It's not one of these jobs where it's got 1 or 2 and it's bouncing all over the place. This has a nice beam that comes out right. Now here's the factory halogen in the daytime, and here's the new LED bulb. You can see it's much brighter. Just look at the difference. This has the LED, where the other side still has the halogen. Just look. You can tell how much brighter it is. And of course, do the other side too. And snap it into the hole too and twist it so it locks. And here we are in the daytime. You can see it's nice and brighter, but of course the real test is the nighttime. So now we gotta wait until it gets dark. And here we go. Here's the new LED lights. We can see how bright they are when they're turned on. And here's the conventional halogens that it came with. The factory ones. You can tell the difference. Lamps burn pretty hot. Let's see what the temperature is with this temperature gun. Go down here and measure it. It's over 867 degrees. Now let's check the temperature of these LED headlights instead. They're only 128 degrees. The LEDs run so much cooler, they're not going to warp the plastic. They're not going to make it get cloudy. I love using these LED replacement bulbs. And since they run cooler, of course they're going to use a lot less energy. That's why they use LED in a lot of modern cars. It's for more efficiency. And remember, to have a chance to win these tools, just post a nice, clean, non-offensive comment in the YouTube comments below, and the winner will be picked randomly by a computer. And since entropy is the end state of all matter, that's a fair way to pick a winner. Thanks for watching this video, and good luck in the contest. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.